What is up, guys? Today we're installing a serpentine belt on this 2013 BMW 740i. This is not a Li. I'm tired of seeing videos online that are only for the Li, so I'm making you one for the I. So the belt's already off. Those are the pulleys right here. This is the tensioner. Alternator is right here. This is idler pulley, AC compressor, and this is your crankshaft. And this is how the old belt looks like. Gonna go ahead and show you the serpentine belt diagram for the new one and how to install it. So before I show you the diagram, I want to tell you something. If I don't end up getting this on camera, what I'm gonna do is when I put the belt, the last pulley is not gonna be the alternator because the tensioner is way too tight for me to be able to put it above the groove and slip it on here. So the last pulley is gonna be this idler pulley right here. Okay, I'll be right back. There we go. So that's how it looks. So the belt goes up, well, first around the crank, and then it goes around the tensioner, and then up on the alternator. So the alternator is the first one you put it on. Then you fish it down, and then you put it on the AC compressor, second to last. And then after that, you use a T60 clockwise, and then you put on this one, and that's it. That's simple.